In today's video, we're showcasing the top 20 most dangerous and biggest heavy equipment machines working at another level. These incredible machines are not only massive but also designed to perform some of the toughest and most dangerous tasks in the world. From colossal mining trucks and powerful excavators to massive cranes and high-performance bulldozers, get ready to be amazed by the sheer scale and power of these engineering marvels. Let's kick off with some of the largest mining trucks that dominate the mining industry. Caterpillar 797F. This behemoth is one of the largest mining trucks in the world, capable of hauling enormous loads with ease. The LAS 75710, known as the world's largest mining truck, it has a staggering payload capacity. Komatsu 980E4, a heavy-duty truck designed for extreme mining conditions, with impressive efficiency and power. Liebherr T284, another giant in the mining world, known for its high payload capacity and durability. Hitachi PH5000AC3, combines advanced technology with massive power, making it a key player in mining operations. Next, we have some of the most powerful excavators used in heavy construction and mining. Caterpillar 6090FS, the largest hydraulic mining excavator, offering unmatched digging power and efficiency. Komatsu PC80006, a heavy-duty excavator designed for the most demanding mining tasks. Liebherr R9800, known for its robust design and incredible digging capabilities. Hitachi X80006 combines power with advanced technology for optimal performance in mining operations. Volvo EC950F, a versatile excavator that excels in heavy construction projects. Cranes play a crucial role in heavy lifting and construction. Here are some of the biggest and most powerful. Liebherr LTM11200-9.1, the most powerful mobile crane in the world, capable of lifting up to 1,200 tons. Manitowoc 31000, known for its enormous lifting capacity and advanced design. Terex CC88001, a giant crawler crane designed for heavy lifting in large-scale construction projects. The MAG CC8800-1 twin combines two cranes for unparalleled lifting power. XCMG XGC88000, one of the largest crawler cranes, known for its impressive lifting capabilities. Bulldozers are essential for large-scale earth-moving and construction tasks. Here are some of the biggest and most powerful. Caterpillar D11, a powerful bulldozer known for its durability and performance in tough conditions. Komatsu D575A3SD, the largest bulldozer ever built, designed for the most challenging projects. John Deere 1050K, combines immense power with advanced technology for efficient earth-moving. Liebherr PR776, a robust bulldozer designed for heavy-duty mining and construction tasks. Shantui SD90-5, known for its power and efficiency in large-scale construction projects. Loaders are crucial for moving large amounts of material quickly. Here are some of the most impressive. Caterpillar 994K, one of the largest wheel loaders, known for its power and efficiency. Komatsu WA1200-6, a massive loader designed for heavy-duty mining and construction tasks. Liebherr L586X Power combines power with advanced technology for optimal performance. Volvo L350H, a versatile loader that excels in large-scale earth-moving and construction projects. Hitachi ZW550-6, known for its robust design and high performance in demanding tasks. Tunnel boring machines are essential for creating tunnels in various construction projects. Here are some of the most advanced. Bertha State Route 99 TBM, one of the largest tunnel boring machines, known for its impressive capabilities. Perenknecht EPB Shield S317 combines advanced technology with immense power for efficient use. Robbins Performance in challenging conditions. NFM Technologies TBM offers exceptional precision and efficiency in tunneling projects. Hitachi Zosen TBM, a powerful machine designed for large-scale tunnel construction. Drag lines are used for removing overburden in mining operations. Here are some of the most impressive. Osiris Erie 2570WS, one of the largest drag lines in the world, known for its enormous size and power. Marion 8200, a heavy-duty dragline designed for efficient overburden removal. P&H 9020C, combines advanced technology with immense power for optimal performance. Liebherr HS 8300 HD, a versatile dragline that excels in demanding mining tasks. Komatsu P&H 4800 XPC, known for its robust design and high performance in challenging conditions. Dump trucks are essential for transporting large amounts of material. Here are some of the most impressive. Caterpillar 797F, known for its enormous size and high payload capacity. Belaz 75710, the largest dump truck in the world, capable of hauling immense loads. Komatsu 930E4, a heavy-duty truck designed for efficient material transportation. Liebherr T282C combines advanced technology with massive power for optimal performance. Hitachi EH5000AC3, known for its robust design and high efficiency in demanding tasks. Excavators play a crucial role in heavy construction and mining tasks. Here are some of the most powerful. Caterpillar 6090FS, the largest hydraulic mining excavator, offering unmatched digging power and efficiency. Komatsu PC80006, a heavy-duty excavator designed for the most demanding mining tasks. Liebherr R9800, known for its robust design and incredible digging capabilities. Hitachi X80006, combines power with advanced technology for optimal performance in mining operations. Volvo EC950F, a versatile excavator that excels in heavy construction projects. Material handling is crucial in various industries. Here are some advanced machines that stand out. Kalmar DCG 720-10LB, a heavy-duty forklift designed for handling large loads with precision. Ister H16XM12, known for its robust design and efficiency in material handling tasks. Crown C5 Series, a versatile forklift that excels in warehouse operations. Toyota 8FDM T25, combines power with advanced technology for optimal performance in material handling. Jungheinrich EFG 550, a powerful electric forklift designed for demanding material handling tasks. These top 20 most dangerous and biggest heavy equipment machines working at another level are a testament to human ingenuity and engineering excellence. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.